Wow, wow. Parang kagising. Ay, sakali. Parang sakali. Ay, nang sakali. Katong to.
Wow, now I see the crowd gathering more and more. By the way, are you guys hungry? A little bit more. We have few more items and then we can enjoy our delicacies, the Tiprasa delicacies. So next we have a solo dance performance by our brother Jackril. Eka, Ratna Dance Tripura. So he's getting ready. Are you ready, brother? Okay, he's ready. Full spirit.
Aku ni kalau angkia tolak ikoi ni, sini Mr. Nayan Joy ini solo performance ni babi.
After that, we have again one more solo performance by Mr. Nayan Jyoti. So Jackril, the stage is all yours. Please come and roam the stage.
Ada bini pakai cuy siapa korban itu?
मुझे तो लगता है मैं शायद तेरे दिल की दुआ देखा तुमको जब से बस देखा तुमको यारा तुमसे कोई अच्छा है ना तुमसे कोई प्यारा यूं नजरे ना फेरो तुम मेरे हो मेरे तुम कह दो ना यू आर माय सोनिया कह दो ना यू आर माय सोनिया Mr. Jackson!
performance.
What a wonderful, fabulous, extravagant performance!
나보내느라 무슨 아니 무슨 그렇지 않모?
Now next, song or dance.
사모 그렇지 않모?
Okay, Jekyll, once again, okay, we can call him back on now after some time. So Xavier, what do we have next on our item?
Tabu Hainai, Hasingo Samani, solo dance by Miss Crispy, Mono Koinai.
Oh, sorry, solo song by Miss.
Oh, sorry, song. Kaya bono, ang tabu ko inay dang so, ini kenapa? Dahil ketika orang main cuma bersama kenalan bagi. Apa ni ya kalau angkiar tongna bagi ko inay group dance, bye. Sabang tak tongsa, agak deh. Student teams to kung man oro. O student team sa kare. Apa ni ya kalau musamung kau naik group dance by kakak hambodol. Ang boro na koy nai ya tong ni bagay. Hari ini jeng dabok. Bersama kenal mani bising otang nai. Sini Miss Crispy ni orang kedua ni orang baik.
Hello everyone. Asagoro youth lots of youths here. We don't see much of 90s people. I can see most of 20s people. So, hi everyone. Thank you. So I'll be singing two songs. Firstly, I'll sing a Hindi song, just a bit of the chorus part, and I'll sing a pop rock song. I didn't prepare at all, so please excuse me if there's a mistake. That was all. I didn't prepare, so let's go to pop rock song. I'll be singing Tatang Dino. 제단이 또 보는 아니 나치곤 제단이 또 보는 아니 나탄이 또 가tilang시야 나치곤 나발랑시야 Nung bay malay masyalsan Tachikon Nung bay malay masyalsan Tathan dito mo katilang siya Tachikon nabalang siya Bari kay mani Syobay kong bari Bari kay mani Syobay kong bari Jethari tokpo nangani Tachikon Jethari tokpo nangani Tathan dito mo katilang siya Abay.
Okay, we are a bit confused. What's the next item? Sometimes host also gets confused now. So, what's next?
아스케 리스크 막마.
Like, we have so many items that we are getting confused. Like, he's asking, what's next now? So, did you figure out what's next?
Yes.
Okay. Dance, no? Or song?
아무.
Yes.
무슨
Dance.
dance.
Okay, one condition. You all have to dance along with them, okay? Okay then. Hello. So we have a modern dance by, again, the students of Tripura Students Forum Delhi. Where are you all? Dance groups? Okay, they are that side. Please come first. Everyone is excited to dance with you all.
뭐라고 신이 몽세를 하는 게? 저번에 신이 해라.
You guys know them, right?
그 신이
You have seen their dance before, right? Yes. Okay. Please come up on the stage.
Abni yaglo ang chini Mr. Nine Jotino koinai mini solo songs no ready tongnan bagi. Mani semua sabur kalena. Jiko mani bising.
You all promise to dance along.
Usually,
Grande,